guys, it's me, Jen. Yes, I'm still at work and I'm on break. I have 1 hour's break. So I took a chance to answer some common question from my inquiries. Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin, paano ba talaga itong digital business na ginagawa ko? Step by step. Ganito lang siya kasimple. Step 1, may short over video muna na pinapanood para maintindihan mo kung paano ito at paano siya gumagana. Step 2, kapag nagustuhan mo at gusto mong matuto pa, may step-by-step training na pwede mong sundan. Step 3, doon mo matutunan paano gamitin ang phone mo at social media para mag-share ng content at maka-attract ng mga interested. Step 4, may automation tools na tumutulong sa process kaya hindi mo kailangan laging online buong araw. Step 5, habang natututo ka, may community and support ka rin na pwedeng lapitan. Kaya nagustuhan ko kasi pwede mo siyang gawin kahit may card job ka. Kahit busy ka, basta willing kang matuto. If you want to see the free 20 minutes over video, message me info and I'll send it to you. See you there!